Here is the Oxford County Jail as it originally looked. Prominent are the arches used for windows and doors, as well as in the blind arches used for decoration on either side of the main entrance. Notice again the peak of the roof over the main entrance as was found previously in Modena Cathedral. Focusing on the octagonal towers flanking the peak, these were unfortunately removed in the renovations done in 1954. As we have said, they are termed bartizans and are overhanging, wall-mounted turrets projecting from the walls of ancient fortifications. The very narrow slits allowed one to look out at the enemy while being an almost impossibly narrow target for arrows. Here you can see the original bartizans, which are proposed to be restored to the facade. As well, you can see the appearance of the chimneys. A pair of these were directly behind the bartizans. They were removed likewise in 1954's renovations. The building would have been heated by coal originally. That necessitated the use of chimneys. The original bartizans can be seen in this photo, complete with the chimneys behind them prior to 1954.